to make money. I rap on stage, shake my butt for you, honey. Cause I'm a rockin', I'm a non-stoppin' MC baby who loves finger poppin'. So don't diss me, just kiss me. If I ever have you and leave, you're gonna miss me. I'm just a brother, so what's up, sis? Cause it's the pretty young ladies that make me talk like this. Yes, I'm the Godfather. I'm the Godfather. They say that I'm an MC, some say that I'm a poet. I changed my style, people just didn't know it yet. I had to tell them, I like color, you mess with me and both. I swear I'm well like I'm a home. I'm out to take charge. I got this bitch shots, bring a new car and my garage. All the ladies wanna use me. They don't move me to see my bankroll. They wanna try to use me, but I'm no fool. Never lose my cool. They gon' leave to my best. I'm in the young ladies' room. I'm not bragging, telling you what I'm about. Young ladies, no ladies. The marriage is out, but if you insist, you can come get this. Your house or mine, night or day, will be fine. So let's get with it, so that I can hit it in an hour or two. Me and you can just quit it. I'm the Godfather. I'm the Godfather. Now the beat'll be smooth while the fire's out. So take your hand off the no stand around. So are you ready? For the beat in me now. Other people wanna see me, some people wanna be me. Pretty young ladies wanna help.
I say give us a call here at Playback FM, but the government keeps records of those that listen to old school hip hop.